guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a good day today and of course, safe and happy. And before anything else guys, I just want to say hi and hello to all my beloved subscribers all over the world. I hope you guys are okay. I hope that you're in good health, good condition, and of course, happy every day guys, because life is too short to be stressed, so always choose to be happy. And to those of you guys who's new in my channel, my name is VANNY. I am not a voice coach, I am not a singer, it's just that I appreciate talents and I love music. That's why I'm doing a reaction video. And guys, I am back for another reaction video, and today's reaction video, it's gonna be exciting because I really missed to react our queen guys. Yes, you guessed it perfectly, I'm talking about our queen, VANNY Vabiola, because I missed to react to her. So today it's gonna be a VANNY Vabiola's day, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna react Indonesian song of her, and I'm so excited because I have no idea about this song. I don't know about how she will perform this song, and I am so excited to see her performing her national language song. And today guys, I'm going to react to VANNY Vabiola's BURUNG INGAT PULANG. I have no idea about what's the meaning of this song. Can you please comment down below what is the meaning of that? And to those of you guys who's new in my channel, I'm giving my reaction at the end of the video. So without further ado guys, here's VANNY Vabiola, Pride of Indonesia, singing and performing Burung Pun Ingat Pulang. Let's watch this.
Solos, tú y yo, por fin. Hey baby, dame luz, haciendo un tattoo que diga yo te quiero.
A few moments later.
OMG guys, even if I don't understand the lyrics because it's an Indonesian language, but the way she performed, I really feel the emotion, the sadness of the song that says that I am just here waiting for you. So please, I hope you will come home and at least you will remember me. If I am telling or if I am saying this correctly, just comment down below, because in my imagination and in my understanding, that's the message of the song. And one thing I love about Vanny Vabiola, because she really gives the right emotion to the song, and she really, deliver the song and send the message of the song very well. That's why her performance is always amazing, always spectacular and fantastic. What I love about her voice is that her tone is very clear. Her high notes is very emotional. It's really captured my heart every time she's belting the high notes, and of course her eyes, her facial expression, and everything that she's doing in every performance that she did. I really like it. Fantastic performance, Vanny Vabiola, and I love you so much. And thank you for this song, or thank you for this music that you are sharing to us. I hope guys you enjoy this video, and please guys make this video 100 views, 100 likes, 100 comments, or 1,000 views please, so that we will continue to react Vanny Vabiola's music. Please guys, because I really want to explore and looking forward for more Vanny Vabiola's music. So please guys, continue to support this reaction of Vanny Vabiola. Make it 1,000 likes, 1,000 views, and 1,000 comments. Please Indonesia, Vanny Vabiola fans out there, I know we can make it. So please, let's do this. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any suggestions, if you have any artist that you want me to react next, just comment down below. And please guys, don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe my channel, and tap notification bell so that you will be notified for my next video. And reminders to all of you guys, it's always going out. Please people, don't forget to wear your mask and gloves maybe if you can. And of course, always follow the social distancing guys, so that this virus will not spread anymore. And yeah, thank you so much for today guys. Thank you so much for being with me today, and until next time guys, always spread love and happiness. God bless everyone. Keep safe, be safe, and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mwah. Ciao guys.